How to buy Shartcoin token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It's created 3 months ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your function wallet for that. Now, as you can see here, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. After that, click here on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Shartcoin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.